You healed up, man? That rejuvenate you?
No.
No?
Well, whatever. I don't care. I'm not going to let it slow me down.
Alright guys, listen up. We're going to be playing Army of 2. For those who never played Army 2 before, basically it's both fields. You have this field and you have the Vietcong field. You have both fields. Both fields are playing fields. Basically it's you and your partner trying to survive to the end. Basically you're trying to be the last group alive. Once you have your partner, pick any spot on the field to start. Don't be alliances with the other team. Make sure you guys make it fair for the other team. So make sure you guys end up spraying apart for a good distance. Once you're shot, just exit right here or exit down there. Basically one shot, one kill. Once you're shot, just walk off the field. If your partner's hit, you're still winning until you're hit. Alright, so once you have a partner, pick any spot on the field, and then I'll start the game from there. If you don't have a partner, walk towards me right now.
No, where's anybody else coming? No?
I think Todd was working on a gun still. Was he?
Maybe he'll let us. Maybe he'll let us. He'll let us do Army of 5. We had Army of 3 that last time.
Partners and go to anywhere on the field, and I'll start the game once everybody's ready.
There. Who do you want to be partnered up with?
Me, myself, and I.
It's all right. It's me and him.
I'll take it.
No alliances.
Hey, no alliances.
That'll make it okay. Moving more with who doesn't have a partner? Yeah.
Oh man, covered up on the bitch holes. I think he's counting down. Why do those kids have their hands up in the air? Did we start?
I didn't hear him.
Yeah, see both those kids right there? They're walking with their hands in the air. I think we started. Where's it coming from? Chopper?
Behind us.
Got them both.
Yep.
Tack reload. Why aren't they walking off? The guys over by the tires have their arms up. A bunch of guys in the black huts have their arms up. You guys got a dead rag.
Nobody over here.
Alright, the guys on this end over here, they're leaving. They're out. And he's running like a girl.
I heard gunfire from over here somewhere.
Okay.
Still just camped up.
Is he sniping or?
I think so. I think he's just waiting.
Okay. Oh, okay. You got him? Here we go. I got one right here. He ran across. He's right there.
Got him.
There's a guy in the wooden hut just to the left right there. You see him peeking out right there?
There's another guy that's up in.
Yeah, right there. Work on him, I'll watch for others.
He's out.
We got TJ at the top of the hill. Is that guy still hiding in the hut, or was that the guy that was in the hut?
No, that's a different guy. There's a guy on the outside of that hut. Yeah, there's a guy on the inside and the outside of that little hut.
Oh, so their whole team's over there then? Okay. Here goes TJ at the top of the hill. He's actually walking pretty quick for a busted ankle. He's weapon ready. He's stalking somebody.
He likes his sidearm.
Sidearm his own team from 15 feet away. Oh, is that guy in? Oh, I gotta take her back here. Make sure we get a little closer. Oh, he's running away. Don't run away.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah, I think TJ's gonna take him out anyway. So I got this burning sensation when I urinate. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. It's been like a week now.
I think they have a patch for that.
Seems weird. There comes TJ. He's still alive, stalking people, weapon ready. TJ, come back around to the bottom of the field so I can get you. Make you waste your time.
Throw it at him too.
What did you hear his idea? 2 dump pouches with bags of BBs and you chuck them. They're not gonna move. You got BBs, right? Damn it. I left it in the bag because like my gun's been reliable lately.
This fucking screwed is back out.
I'll work on it while you work on that. Which hut was it? There he is. Okay, I see him. You might want to stand over here because he's looking at you.
You just keep like cooking.
Get it adjusted? Bad luck with guns, Todd.
Dude, this isn't even a gun. This thing's brand fucking new. You can throw some shit. Built. Maybe on the suicide and I'll just see if I can bang that.
Okay, well, what do I do? Let me distract him. Let me know when you're going to charge. Let me get behind you. I'm going to pelt it, the tarp. Okay. Go ahead.
It's over? Game's over? Oh. It's game over, man. I guess it's been over for a while.